Well, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in downtown. I think we all agree on that. And we always love to see lots of folks from a lot of different pieces of places in the marketplace here at Point Park. I'd like to welcome you to the academic village at Point Park University. Anybody first time that you've been kind of on campus or in the Point Park building? Okay, quite a few. So I want to challenge you to think back 6 years ago to what this part of downtown would look like. And it would have looked very different then than it does now. A lot of vacant buildings, a lot of surface parking lots. And since then, it's about 7 years ago, Point Park University banded with the community and talked about what we wanted the neighborhood to look like. And out of that discussion came the Academic Village Initiative. So we've been busy doing the work with partners of trying to restore, renovate, and reactivate this part of downtown. We understand the power of partnerships. This is a university, and its mission is here to educate and give folks a great send-off into their chosen careers and hopefully with a commitment to their communities. So it's the partnerships that we benefit from with our elected officials, with the arts community, with business community that help us to realize the vision of the Academic Village Initiative and make sure that it's one that is a positive one and that's in harmony with all of the other great things that happen in great urban centers like this. While some aspects of the Academic Village Initiative are brand new, like the dance complex that is right next to this building, there are many things that I guess we could say are, quote, vintage. And we all know that vintage things are oftentimes the best and most wonderful jewels. We have been told by many that Point Park has one of the finest collection of turn-of-the-century buildings in downtown Pittsburgh. And if you walk along the boulevard, if you walk up and down the Wood Street corridor, I think you get to take in all of that rich history. And we take our role as a conservator, if you will, of those types of precious gems very seriously. And the university has worked very, very hard to be good stewards and to work on restoring, renovating, and reopening all of these great structures. I think this is a wonderful example. Lawrence Hall, the building that you're in, is one of the workhorses of the university, but it started life as the Sherwin Hotel at the turn of the century. Bennett Jansen is the architect, and if you had been in this space just a few months ago, it would have been a really serviceable dance studio, but we've been able to renovate this into a wonderful multi-purpose space. And just across the hall where you enjoyed some breakfast this morning was also, I think, a very dark drop ceiling dance space. And over the last couple of months, that's been restored and renovated to its former beauty. And we're really thrilled to be able to open that up. Across the street, that used to be a surface parking lot, now a wonderful urban space. Some other buildings that have been restored and now are activated as student housing. Really, the next big challenge, and what we're turning our attention to, is bringing the Point Park University Pittsburgh Playhouse to downtown Pittsburgh. And just as we have found the power of beautiful turn-of-the-century structures here, we're going to do the same thing with Playhouse. We'll be taking the University Center, which is an Australian design building, and we'll be joining that with the power of the Stock Exchange building, which is Bart Berger, architect. And those will be the cornerstones of the new Pittsburgh Playhouse. And when it's done, those two buildings will be restored and renovated, and we'll be adding new buildings in the center of those two buildings that will contain 3 theaters, a sound stage, and just wonderful state-of-the-art opportunities for the academic offerings for the Conservatory of Performing Arts. But it's also going to be a wonderful experience for the 40,000 non-student patrons that currently enjoy 220 nights at the Pittsburgh Playhouse in Oakland. And we are very excited to have a new playhouse in downtown as a magnet to bring those folks into the downtown setting. And I don't need to tell this room the power of the arts. So we are certain that the university, with our partners and support of the community, once that playhouse is complete, it will be yet another indicator of the power of partnerships, the power of art, and what it can do to inspire, but also invest and help grow a really vibrant downtown. So with that, I want to thank you for being here. I hope it is a really intellectually stimulating morning, and I hope it's not the last time that you're here at Point Park. You get a chance to walk around. There's a great gallery space on the first floor here. There's a summer dance intensive that's going on, so you may want to just peek into the dance studios. You'll see students from all over the country who are here for many weeks enjoying great facilities here. Thank you.